These are my seagull buddies. They are very loud. I like feeding seagulls. Look at all of them.
Look at all the friends.
Look how big they are. They're like coming right next to me. So cute. Cute little seagulls. Cute.
Well, happy birthday.
Yeah, it is my birthday.
It's on the 4th.
Well, oh, there. No! No! You scared them away! There, I fed them more. And then they came back. No! 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 Don't scare them away! There's geese over there! Oh my god!
Geese!
Look at the geese! Look at the geese! Oh, we can feed the geese too! Oh! Geese and seagulls, that is epic! Yay! Best birthday party ever! Best birthday party ever! Yeah! I love it. Look at them! I like it, weasel.
Jerry, go get more before the geese get impatient.
We need to get more before the geese go away. Oh my god, I think it's gonna bite me. It's so close. The geese is so close. I think it's a girl. Don't want to scare away the geese. I gotta run and get the chips.
I'm hoping I might get one of them.
Lots of chips, lots of chips, lots of chips. Yay, the birds. Look at all of them. Oh, she's trying to catch one.
I like those kind of geese.
Oh, Alex didn't get him.
Right in the water.
Oh, there they go. She made that one fly away, the one in the water. Well, my mom actually better end this video. Oh, look, more seagulls! Peace.